Hello, and welcome to Chronicles of a Media Marketer. This is your go-to channel for entrepreneurs who want to cut through the noise and master marketing without overwhelm. I'm Sandra Carlisle, your local media marketer, and this is my channel. Today's video is about how to outsmart, not outspend, using the power of AI. What if you could see your customers' needs before they even spoke them? Launching campaigns with confidence and free up hours each week simply by harnessing AI-powered marketing apps. Today, I want to tell you about Wealth Palette AI and share how modern entrepreneurs using AI to turn raw data into real dollars without overwhelm or guesswork. When I was launching my business, Wealthy Palette Media Marketing, the concept of marketing itself felt like fortune telling, analyzing spreadsheets, chasing trends, and never quite knowing what would actually work. The turning point for me came after wasting weeks on manual marketing research that was outdated before I had an opportunity to act on it. That's when I found a developer who had the recipe for my AI platform, Wealth Palette AI. Suddenly, data stopped being a wall of numbers. It became a map. Within days, I had clear insight on my audience than in months of trial and error. AI apps revolutionized the way I was doing business for my marketing agency. And that's when I realized that I could bring a platform out to my clients and my people here on Chronicles of a Media Marketer that they could use to get the same results as a professional marketer. It revolutionized my process because AI can sift through data so quickly, certainly quicker than I can, and at a genius level, and I'm not a genius, that enabled me to scale, gave me the speed and saved me time and accuracy that I couldn't get anywhere else. With Wealth Palette AI, you don't just gather information. You gain usable insights and usable content results. They segment your audience, highlight what's working and what's not, and predict the next move, which will certainly help you get ahead of your competition and succeed. Instead of spending hours on research and campaign building, you use that time to build relationships, create, and actually grow your business. It's not about having the most data. It's about knowing what to do with it. So AI can give you all the data that you need, but it takes you to sort through that data and decide what is best and the next step of how to use that data. So I combed through some data, of course, and found that entrepreneurs who embrace AI are gaining 5 to 7 hours of time by automating their research and analytics, increasing the return on investment by 15 to 40%, mattering on the industry and the company and the input and the data, because strategies are driven by real, up-to-date trends, not assumptions. So don't assume, find your AI platform and use that to help guide you along your way. Not only does AI help you find your clients and the next trend and what they're interested in and where they are and where they go and what they do and how you can find them, it's elevating their customer experience with your product or service, because you can more deeply personalize the content that you're putting out, leading to higher loyalty and referrals. Case in point, by using AI, I was able, and many times over, I am able to find a hidden audience segment, not only for myself, but for my clients. With AI predictions, I can prep a targeted campaign and double the qualified leads in weeks or months or whatever your time frame is. You can do this with AI, and absolutely with less effort than ever before. So if building your brand feels like running uphill blindfolded, stop. Adapt. AI-powered apps like Wealth Palette AI. Again, there's an app for every reason. And give yourself the competitive edge. Sharper insights, less wasted time, and more profitable decisions. Subscribe to Chronicles of a Media Marketer for honest, story-driven strategy, and drop a comment with your biggest data challenge. I'll personally respond with an actionable AI tip for you. Are you ready to future-proof your business? Explore Wealth Palette AI, and that is the web address, wealthpalette.ai, for a simple on-ramp to the smart marketing era. At Wealthy Palette Media and Wealth Palette AI, we believe marketing should be driven by clarity and not chaos. AI isn't replacing human ingenuity. It's about locking it in. So paint your business with insight, lead with data, but market like an artist. Your entrepreneurial journey deserves both intuition and intelligence. With the right tools, your brand's future is only limited by your imagination. So stay tuned to Chronicles of a Media Marketer, because my next video will go deeper into Wealth Palette's capabilities for entrepreneurs. But for now, remember, the world's best marketing isn't about being louder. It's about being smarter, faster, and closer to your customer like never before. And that's the magic of AI. Thank you again for listening, and I'll see you again soon.